First, what you will need is a flat, thin wood disc, Anne and Gilbert paper silhouettes, scissors, twine or string, a small paintbrush, Mod Podge, and if you don't have that, you can use clear Elmer's glue, and an electric drill. Be sure to get your own silhouettes for free in the description box below. The link is there. Also, I purchased my thin wood disc on Etsy in a pack of 10, and it is absolutely perfect for this specific Thaumatrope. A great size, a great thinness, and everything. So I left the Etsy link in the description box below, and you can get your own pack of these and make your own Thaumatropes. Alright, so step 1, you're going to drill a small hole in the outer left edge and the outer right edge of your disc. Make sure the hole's big enough for your string to fit through. Step 2, take some scissors and cut out your Anne and Gilbert silhouettes. Step 3, take your paintbrush and dip it into the Mod Podge or Elmer's glue, whichever one you're using, and brush the Mod Podge onto the back of the Gilbert silhouette. Make sure you cover the entire back. Step 4, glue down the Gilbert silhouette close to the right hole in the disc. Step 5, cover the back of the Anne silhouette in Mod Podge or Elmer's glue. Step 6, flip the disc over vertically and glue the Anne silhouette down close to the left hole in the disc. When you flip the disc over, it's very important to make sure Gilbert's head is upside down on his side of the disc. This should automatically happen when you flip it vertically. Step 7. Brush Mod Podge or Elmer's glue over the entire Gilbert side of the disc to be sure to seal that paper silhouette down. Let it dry, then flip the disc over and cover the entire Anne side of the disc. Then let that dry. Step 8. String your twine or string through one of the holes in the disc and tie a knot at the end of the string. Now string your twine or string through the other hole and tie a knot at the end of it. And there you have it, your very own Anne and Gilbert Thaumatrope. Enjoy! Really quick, my kindred spirit, I want to remind you about my Confessions of Cordelia Shirley Teespring store called Cordelia's Confessions, where you can find t-shirts, mugs, bags, and other accessories that are Anne of Green Gables inspired. So be sure to check out my Teespring store through the link I left in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to follow the Confessions of Cordelia Shirley blog, which is linked in the description box below.